we will go for the next experiment, that is buffer overflow. So what is buffer? Buffer refers to memory. When you execute a program in backend, the memory is created. So suppose what happens when memory is overloaded or overflooded. When memory is overflooded, the attacker can extract any information whatever he want from the company server. So therefore he can disrupt the working of company server for a day. Okay, like that example. Okay, now the when you write a program and compile, in the backend the memory is created. So when that memory is over flooded, okay, with large request, what will happen? That will result in buffer or storage, memory storage overflow or buffer overflow. Okay, so what happens as a result of buffer overflow? When buffer overflow happens, the extra data, so the extra data what that is there, that can corrupt or overwrite in the adjacent memory locations. So what is the effect of this attack in the companies? If the attacker perform this kind of attack, the company's server is overflooded with large quantity of traffic. So as when the company server is overflowed with or overloaded with large quantity of traffic, and for an entire day the operation is the normal operation in the company is not possible. So now we will demonstrate the same experiment how buffer overflow works. So I'm going to use mutillidae, the web application. Okay, in order to run this, first get into file manager, get into file system, get into opt lamp. Okay, get into lamp, then get into uh, htdocs. Where is htdocs? Search for htdocs dashboard. Here mutillidae. Okay, this is the thing what it is required for us. Okay, so the actual our project is there in this location. Now go to your terminal and make this as an administrator. Make this as administrator. Okay, make this as a complete readable, writable, executable by using the command chmod 777. Okay, I need to be the super user to make this. Okay, now I have made it as the super user. It has admission right for all, read, write, and execute. See, I have made it as administrator and I made it as see. Now I changed the permission and I made it as readable, writable, and executable. Okay, fine. Fine. Now, how should we turn on lamp XAMPP server? So, what is the way to turn on XAMPP server? Open your terminal here. Open your terminal here. Log in as super user sudo su. So, in the directory opt lamp, okay. So now open the terminal here. Type the password as your system password. So which file I have to invoke? I have to invoke this file, manager linux. Okay, / manager. So this will going to open us the XAMPP server. Go to manage servers. Now start Apache and start MySQL database. Wait for a few minutes until it goes to run state from start state. Okay, now it is in running state. Open, go to your browser and type localhost and type localhost and type mutillidae main. Get into src. Now go to OASP 2017 A1 injection, other buffer overflow repeater, simple one. So here I need to just log in as register and login. Okay. So now I'm lazy to type. Okay, what I will do, I'll go to localhost and I'll go to php myadmin. I am lazy to register. See, I'm lazy to register and login. So what I will do, the shortcut trick, I'll go to mutillidae database. I'll go to php myadmin. In that I have navigated to mutillidae database. Now I'm getting into accounts table. In the account table I can find all these entries. Admin pass. Just I'll give this username admin pass. Yes, I'm logged in as admin. Now I will give the string hi, hello, how are you? I want to repeat this string for 5 times. Just click repeat string. Okay. Next, I will repeat the same string for 50,000 times. That's sorry, 5 lakh times. How will the server is hanging? See. So by sending in real time, the attacker will send a large request like this that will disrupt the normal working of a company server. See how much slowing it is happening. So like that he will disrupt the working of company server in real time. So this is about buffer overflow attack. So this kind of attacks are oftenly done on banking servers. Okay. So I'm adding one more zero. I'm making it 5 crore times to repeat. See how much time it is loading. The request is attack. Company server and make it disrupt or not for one entire day. Okay, that's it. So this is about this buffer overflow attack or buffer overflow experiment. See, my browser only got stuck. It not couldn't process the request. See, buffer overflow attack. Now before closing the application, what we have to do is we have to go to XAMPP manager database also put it run. See, like this, the company server can be made distorted. Now I go to manage servers and I'll stop Apache and I'll stop MySQL database. I'll stop MySQL Apache and MySQL database. Okay, before closing the XAMPP server, you have to follow these steps. Yeah, every time you have to follow this. Okay, now close this. It will be stopped. It will stop in 5 minutes. Until it is popped as stopped with a red bulb signal, we have to wait. Now we'll stop the recording. See, because of buffer flow overflow experiment running, my memory is also corrupted. System speed also got slowed, very much slowed down. ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಆಯ್ತು ಬಾ.